This week is almost done, so we better andale and get a move on with finishing everything that we need to with these, because I want to have these done and ready to just fill with all the goodness that is the haunt. Seems that it's a good thing we're located where we are and we don't have power lines attached on this property, or else I might have had to take some of the haunt down. That would be so horrible if I had to. That would be like weeks and weeks of work having to redo. Didn't really do anything in this section. I did clean up the pumpkins and bring them out front so that they would be out of the way. Got the curtain up for the TV/fake window, but also putting some creepy cloth up. Got some more shelves up in here. And our dude, we got that one rummage sale. And that's it for today. Ooh, it's a beautiful day for haunt building. Look at that sunrise. Ew, we got Smokey air. Oh wait, look, and Smokey the Bear. Today's the official day, the start of the Great Arena Balloon Race. I don't know what some of those are, but they look really cool. Day is done. Didn't do much decorating for today. Mostly did some cleanup and such, and noted areas that need a little bit of fixing. But what I did do was make sure that every single light that is already up is wired and ready to plug in. And then I added some creepiness before I put the top on over there. Put the fireplace where it belongs. Added some more creepiness and potential scare areas. And that's it for today. See you later, taters. Freebies! Oh yeah, I was afraid that this thing might disappear before we grabbed it, but I got a ton of help and a vehicle that will fit it in there. Looks super duper good. Yeah, obviously the sun is down, so there's not a lot of light in here, and I need to get that one plugged in. But this one is great. You can go underneath it and scare. You can pop up from behind it and scare.
You can slam the
I got behind here.
You can slam the cabinets and whatnot. Like
slam it.
That's not. That wasn't good.
Come on, you can slam it.
Oh yeah, right. I forgot this piece. This thing is.
Treat it like you like your manager. There you go.
Actually, I kind of like. I kind of like my manager. They're cool. They're cool.
Just kidding. Sweet. We got a desk for the office. Now we need to plug in the lights. Alrighty, y'all. The haunt is almost 100% lit. At least the parts that are up. Obviously not the facade. And I was incorrect. This is going to have a little bit more light to it because it's barely being lit. And that door is going to be closed. But my lights are plugged in. My beautiful candelabra. Very nice, very nice. But you can't see the coffin at all, which is right there. So we've got this one lit. And as I showed, that beautiful desk. This is also why we want the door shut, or at least only open part of the way, so that this desk is highly visible. We don't want anyone running into it, you know. But I think it looks really good on the skeleton. Fantastic. And all that stuff. Oh my god, scary, Dr. Pepper. All distracting you from the scare right here. And then we'll make our way down here. I had forgotten that this walkway right here needs to be lit because it's burn dark. But you get different colors. So right now we're settled on this for lighting because we always find this fading pattern, especially when you start them at different times. It's very off-putting, I think. And they're going to have to walk around this way because the actor is going to be right here. So there's no cutting it straight through and not to shawls. Got a window for a potential scare there, or they're just going to think it is. Yes, I know. You're doing a good job.
Oh God!
Thank you so much. Hey, how you doing? Stop slacking and sitting down on the job.
Yo.
Yo! Chicken! And of course we don't have all of the blockers, so you can't see what's in the next room.
Hush, Gollum.
But I think it's looking pretty good. That's very good. I did forget to hook that up until the last second, so that's not where it's going to be. It's going to be further down, and then an actor will be able to trigger it because it's like, you know, flames like they're being burned in the crematorium. And currently, this is what we've settled on for the greenhouse. Good job with the greenery there. It's whacking me.
Absolutely. Oh yeah.
I love this cage. You can't see anybody in it. We did tests.
And actually, for the video, let's go in.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Because the light was down here a little bit, and you can see in.
Can you see me?
Only when you moved your hand. We cannot see you in there at all, which is fantastic.
You can't see in here unless you're like actively moving and whatnot.
Yeah, especially since you're probably going to be covered head to toe in black anyway.
True.
Not only that, but the laser is going to be like halfway, and also this reddish you can see here is from that red light, which is going to be blocked by a cloth covering here to block out what you can see. And I think I'm actually going to staple it against this wall so they can only come in by moving it this way, which prevents them from coming here and then it's shining red right inside there.
Yeah. Either that or I'm going to be like wearing that like ghillie suit.
Well, see, that's the thing. I always set up multiple scares because, you know, number one, we almost always have people go through multiple times a night. And number two, we don't, if we have to send them in faster, which I'm guessing with the crowds this year we'll have to.
Yeah.
We don't want somebody going, oh my God, they're in the corner. And then when they come by, look, they're in the corner. What a scare. They ruined it for me. So that's why you can get in that corner. You can get in the cage. You can even go on the outside over here. I set up many, many scares in every room. Plus, that's just if there's one actor in it. I also set it up so that we can have multiple actors in them. And I also forgot that we need to light this. This in the black, which you can't see anything. This is the graveyard. But you can't see it because I didn't light it because I'm bad. All right, hey, this is going to look so good. Because people are going to be like, oh, look at that, look at that. And then so they go, bleh. And then this over here, we're thinking about just having a pair of shoes sticking out from underneath there.
You know?
Can't even see them, honestly. It would have to be like whitish shoes, I think, because black, you can't see it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think they're going to come over here and they're going to be looking, and then whoever's sitting here will be like, what are you doing? What are you doing to my stuff? But we did get the fireplace. In the fireplace. The best part is, if it's cold, that's a heater. We love it. I'm going to be moving that covered up picture frame to over here, just so it looks nice. And yeah, this is looking pretty good. There's creepy cloth everywhere. You know, I like to put things down so it makes it disgusting for people to walk through. I love cerebral haunts. I don't like them to be comfortable. Oh, that looks so good. You can't see through here anymore. I covered it with colored plastic. So that's nice. And there's also a sheet right there.
Yeah.
I can't see. It's too bright. Oh my God, where are we going?
Laser time.
Lasers.
And we
Spooky laser time.
And we don't have that annoying cord that kept us to the right last time.
That is correct, Amundo. Yeah, we'll have to play with the settings. The only thing that's bad about this laser, you have to reset it every single time you turn it on. It won't stay. So if you want it just doing blue or just doing red, you have to reset that every night. But as long as you have the remote, it's not that big of a deal. If you lose the remote, then it's a big deal. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, yes. Look at that. We got our glowing, creepy paintings.
So much glows in here.
I know. There's our reflectors. Whoa. It just changed color, now it's reddish. I don't know why those lights won't turn off. It's crazy. See? They're like on. Because this, here, let me find the buttons. This is on. See? Ta-da. That's off. It won't turn off.
I don't know what that's about.
I don't know either, but yes, we got lots of fun things planned with these glowing things.
Slappy hands.
Lots of fun. Oh yeah, do those glow, by the way? Of course the slappy hands do, but that's okay, because the slappy hands are going to be in total darkness. Hint, hint, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. That's where they shall be. Ha ha.
And all these spikes.
And then, that is the end. That is the walkthrough for tonight. We got so much done. Woohoo!